Great news, everyone! I'm coming to you from the Adirondacks, more specifically the Silver Lake Wilderness area, just about 3 miles from the town of Wells, on West River Road. There's about 10 spots on this road, and there's a few different camping areas. Hope Falls and then Route 8 also has camping areas. I looked at all of them. None of them had internet, but this, in my opinion, was the nicest spot. So I chose this one. It's also the closest to Wells, which means it's the closest to the internet. The first night I got here, it actually rained, so the next morning the river level has risen 3 to 6 inches, which was interesting from the runoff. I also did some repairs on the RV because Duke tore up the screen door, so I actually had to buy some screen and then repaired it when I got here. And Duke and I have been on several walks since we got here. The weather since the first night has been gorgeous. Got my solar panels out, charging the RV, and took some amazing drone footage for you guys to watch. So let's watch the footage. Again, some amazing drone footage. I've enjoyed my time here. I've taken a few dips in the river. It's great. Duke's also taken a few dips. We've enjoyed our time here, and if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below, and thanks for watching.